Hi students, welcome to PV Digital Classroom. In this section, we are going to see the book back exercises for our lesson 1. Before going to the section, I would like to give an intro about our lesson so that it will be useful for you to do our book back exercises. Already I gave you an homework in lesson 1 like choose it and true or false. I think many of you people did not do it properly, and some people have sent you the homework. I have corrected and sent you back. For those who did not do your homework, please listen today. Those who have completed your homework, listen once again whether you have done it correctly or not. Before going to the section, we will see the summary of our lesson. So what is our lesson name? A trick robot. So in the trick robot, what has been happened? So there is a conversation between the Vicky and his father. So what did Vicky told? Vicky told his father to buy a new robot to Vicky for doing all his work. Why Vicky wanted a robot? Because Vicky was a lazy boy. He was very lazy to do all his work. So he want a robot to do all his work like his homework, everything. So he pleaded his father to buy a robot, and his father also agreed to buy a robot for Vicky. Finally, a father buy a trick robot. What is the trick? That robot is not doing any work for the Vicky. First, Vicky asked the robot to prepare a salad, but the robot did not prepare the salad. Second, the Vicky told the robot to charge the phone, but the robot did not charge the phone. It again asked the Vicky to do the phone charge by himself. Thirdly, the Vicky told the robot to play a song. For that also the robot said, I will not do it. So what the robot said? The robot said Vicky to do all the work. So Vicky got angry and told the robot that I will be going to sell you. For that, what did the robot reply? The robot replied, please sell me to an active master, not a lazy master. So finally, what Vicky decided? Vicky decided to do all his work by himself. So this is the story of our first lesson. By hearing the story, try to recall it, and now we are going to do the book back exercises for this lesson today. So listen carefully. So what is the first one? Choose the correct option. What does mean by choose the correct option? So they have given you 3 options like A, B and C. So you have to pick the correct option and you have to write it. What is the first one? Vicky wanted a dash to do all his work. Vicky wanted what to do all his work? A toy, friend or robot? So what is the option? Correct option? Yes, C is the correct option. So robot. Vicky wanted a robot to do all his work. Shall we see the second one? Vicky's father bought a dash robot. So Vicky's father bought Vicky a dash kind of robot. See the option. First one lazy, second one trick, third one active. So he bought a trick robot. Option B is correct. So Vicky's father bought a trick robot. See the third one. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. So Vicky finally decided the robot to keep, sell or praise. Say very good. Option B. Sell is the correct. Vicky decided to sell the robot at the end. So the fourth one, robot asked Vicky to sell him to a dash master. Lazy, active, passive. Option B. Active master. Robot asked Vicky to sell him to an active master. Shall we read one more time? Yes. Vicky wanted a robot to do all his work. Vicky's father bought a trick robot. Vicky decided to sell the robot at the end. Robot asked Vicky to sell him to an active master. So this exercise you people have already done it, But just for a recall, and those who did not attend the previous classes, those who are not having the book, it will be useful for them. For that purpose only I am once again recalling you. Just listen it. So the next, read the statement and write true or false. This exercise also you have completed. Once again, just listen, recall it. Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. True or false? True. Right. Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. True. Vicky was an active boy always. Vicky எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் துருதுருனே இருப்பானா? No, he is a lazy boy. So, false. Vicky was an active boy always. False. The robot did not obey his master. True or false? True. Very good. The robot did not obey his master. True. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. So, to change his son's character only, Vicky father brought a trick robot. So, it is true. Vicky father decided to change his son's character. True. So, these two exercises I have already gave you as an homework. Some people has completed, some people has not completed. So, I just want you people to recall. For this purpose only, I am repeating you again and again. Now, the third one we are going to see this. Answer the following. So, this is the new one. I am teaching you. So, listen carefully. Answer the questions. So, what is the first question? What kind of a boy was Vicky? So, what kind of boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. So, write as Vicky was a lazy boy. So, what is the spelling for lazy? L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Vicky was a lazy boy. So, what is the second question? Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? So, whom asked the robot to attend the phone call? Yes, absolutely. Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. So, just take who and write it as Vicky, and everything remaining is given in your question. So, what is the spelling for Vicky? V-I-C-K-Y, Vicky. Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Shall we read one more time? So, what is the first question? What kind of boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. Who asked the robot to attend the phone call? Vicky asked the robot to attend the phone call. Shall we see the next question? Yes. What is the third question? Whom did Vicky wanted to do all his work? So, whom? Yes, right, robot. Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. So, what here you have to write Vicky, and what is the past tense for want? This wanted. Write it as wanted and write the spelling for robot to do all his work is already given in your question. So, Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. So, what is the spelling for robot? R-O-B-O-T, robot. How did Vicky change at the end? So, how did Vicky change? So, Vicky decided to do all the work himself. So, he finally said that I will do my work by myself. I won't depend on anyone. So, right, Vicky decided to do all the work himself. What did you learn from this lesson? So, what did you people learn from this lesson? We should be active and not lazy. We should be active and not lazy. What is the spelling for active? A-C-T-I-V-E, active. What is the spelling for lazy? L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Shall we read it one more time? All the three questions. Whom did Vicky wanted to do all his work? Vicky wanted robot to do all his work. How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do all the work himself. What did you learn from this lesson? We should be active and not lazy. So, what are the things we learned today? So, first, I have given you the short summary of the story. Next, we have learned choose the correct option. And next we have read the true or false, and next we have read the answer the following. Totally 3 Romans we have discussed today, and today I am going to give you homework in the option C, Roman letter C. Answer the following. So how many questions are there? Totally 5 questions are there. Read the 5 questions and answers thoroughly. Read and write 2 times and send me the images of your homework through WhatsApp.